Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare a 100% effective suntan removal face mask. This face mask is made up of 100% natural ingredients and it's also known as Ubtan. This Ubtan home remedy will lighten and whiten your skin complexion and will help you in completely removing your suntan, dark spots, acne scars and acne and blemishes and will give you a much lighter, whiter, brighter and a tighter skin. So firstly, let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this Ubtan or suntan removal face mask. And the first ingredient which we need to prepare this Ubtan is besan, or it's also known as gram flour. After that, you're gonna need turmeric powder or haldi. After that, you're gonna need honey. Then you're gonna need half lemon. And the last ingredient which you need is raw milk or unboiled milk. So now let's see how to prepare this bridal Ubtan to get fair, glowing, radiant and a spotless skin. So to prepare this Ubtan, we firstly have to take approx 2 teaspoon besan or gram flour in a clean bowl. After that, we'll add approx 2 pinches of turmeric powder in it. And after adding the turmeric powder, just mix both these ingredients slightly so that they combine with each other nicely. And after mixing both these ingredients, now we'll squeeze half lemon in it. And now after that, we'll add approx half a teaspoon honey in it. And now lastly, we'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons raw milk or unboiled milk in it. And then mix everything really nicely to make a smooth and a lump-free paste. And once all these ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade bridal Ubtan is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this Ubtan should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much smooth and lump free like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to use this bridal Ubtan to get effective results. So you just have to apply an even and a thick layer of this Ubtan all over your face and neck, or you can even apply it all over your body. And after applying an even and a thick layer of this Ubtan, you just have to leave it for good 20 or 25 minutes or until it dries completely. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off with normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin really well. This homemade bridal Ubtan have innumerable benefits for your skin. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which helps in reducing your acne scars, dark spots, and even pigmentation or hyper-pigmentation problem easily at home. It works really great in lightening, whitening and brightening your skin complexion and will give you an instant fair, glowing, radiant and a spotless skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.